Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good and your English practice is going well. Okay guys, so today's session is here that English word meaning session. In this session, I am going to share with you lots of English word meaning which is guys very important for you because if you really want to improve your English, so for that you have to gather, so you have to collect lots of vocabulary. Without vocabulary, if you are thinking you will speak guys, no, it will not it's not possible that for the speaking English vocabulary is very important guys. Without vocabulary you can't speak English because when you will speak, so if you don't have a proper vocabulary, then how you can make the proper sentences, how you can convey your sentences to the other person. So it needs to make the proper sentences needs their proper vocabulary. Okay, so like आपको बोलना है कि मुझे घर जाना है. अगर घर का आपको इंग्लिश नहीं पता है, वर्ड मीनिंग वोकाबलरी नहीं पता है, इंग्लिश क्या होगा, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे कि मुझे घर जाना है. चलो आप सेंटेंसेस बना लेते हो. जैसे कि मैं घर जाना चाहती हूँ, तो आप आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू माई हाउस. ओके, माई होम. तो आपको अगर घर का इंग्लिश नहीं पता होगा वोकाबलरी, तो आप कैसे बनाओगे. इसके लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ वोकाबलरी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहले आप बहुत सारे वोकाबलरी इकट्ठा कर लीजिए और फिर ट्राई कीजिए स्पीकिंग का. ओके, सो गाइस, विदाउट एनी फर्दर लेट गेट स्टार्ट इनटू द वीडियो. As you can see that on your screen, first vocabulary is here that चाहने वाला. चाहने वाला in English we can see that lover. Lover in Hindi चाहने वाला. And next is that संबंध. संबंध in English we can see that relationship. Relationship in Hindi संबंध. Next is that वश में करना. वश में करना in English we can say that subdue. Subdue in Hindi बस में करना. Next is that लगाओ. लगाओ in English we can say that affection. Affection in Hindi लगाओ, in English affection. Next is that हिचकी. हिचकी in English we can say that hiccup. Hiccup in Hindi हिचकी. Next is that झलक. झलक in English we can say that glimpse. Glimpse in Hindi झलक. Next is that दीवानगी. दीवानगी in English we can say that infatuation. Infatuation in Hindi दीवानगी. Next is that माशुका. माशुका in English we can say that sweetheart. Sweetheart in Hindi माशुका. Next is that बेशर्म. बेशर्म in English we can see that brazen. Brazen in Hindi बेशर्म. Next is that आशिक. आशिक in English we can see that philander. Philander in Hindi आशिक. Next is that अनैतिक संबंध. अनैतिक संबंध in English we can say that intimacy. इंटेमेसी इट मीन्स अनैतिक संबंध. इंटेमेसी, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज दैट हसीन. हसीन इन इंग्लिश वी कैन से दैट एलिगेंट. एलिगेंट इन हिंदी हसीन. नेक्स्ट इज दैट तरफ. तरफ इन इंग्लिश वी कैन सी दैट यार्निंग. यार्निंग इन हिंदी तरफ, इन इंग्लिश यार्निंग. नेक्स्ट इज दैट नखरे. नखरे in English we can see that tantrum. Tantrum in Hindi नखरे, in English tantrum. Next is that आकर्षक. आकर्षक in English we can see that charming. Charming in Hindi आकर्षक. Next is that आशावादी. आशावादी in English we can say that optimist. Optimist in Hindi आशावादी. Next is that अफवाह. अफवाह in English we can say that rumors. Rumors in Hindi अफवाह. Next is that उत्तेजना. उत्तेजना in English we can say that excitement. Excitement in Hindi उत्तेजना. Next is that दीवानगी. दीवानगी in English we can say that infatuation. Infatuation in Hindi divangi. Next is that dait. Dait in English we can say that obligation. Obligation in Hindi dait. In Hindi in English obligation. Next is that chakkar. Chakkar in English we can say that dizzy. Dizzy in Hindi chakkar. Next is that jiddi. Jiddi in English we can say that is to burn. As to burn in Hindi jiddi. Next is that boz. Boz in English we can say that burden. Burden in Hindi boz. Next is that tabah karna. Tabah karna in English we can say that destroy. Destroy in Hindi tabah karna. Next is that kathin. Kathin in English we can say that tough. Tough in Hindi, kathin in English tough. Next is that तारीफ करना. तारीफ करना in English we can say that admire. Admire in Hindi तारीफ करना. संजोना. संजोना in English we can say that cherish. Cherish in Hindi, संजोना in English cherish. Next is that लालची. लालची in English we can say that greedy. Greedy in Hindi लालची. Next is that bhadam. Bhadam in English we can say that illusion. Illusion in Hindi bhadam. Next is that junoon. Junoon in English we can say that obsession. Obsession in Hindi junoon. Next is that parvaris. Parvaris in English we can say that upbringing. Upbringing in Hindi, parvaris in English, upbringing. Next is that घुटन. घुटन in English we can say that suffocation. Suffocation in Hindi, घुटन. Next is that नीचा दिखाना. नीचा दिखाना in English we can say that humiliate. Humiliate in Hindi, नीचा दिखाना. Next is that हिंसा. हिंसा in English we can say that violence. Violence in Hindi, hinsa in English violence. Next is that hamdardi. Hamdardi in English we can say that sympathy. Sympathy in Hindi, hamdardi. Next is that atyant. Atyant in English we can say that extremely. Extremely in Hindi, atyant. Next is that sankalpana. In English we can see that concept. Concept in Hindi, sankalpana. Next is that khushbu. Khushbu in English we can say that fragrance. Fragrance. Guys, pronunciation is also important. So khushbu in English we can say that fragrance. Fragrance in Hindi, khushbu. Next is that irada. Irada in English we can say that intention. Intention in Hindi, irada. Next is that behkana. Behkana in English we can say that misguide. Misguide in Hindi, behkana. Next is that vikalp. Vikalp in English we can say that alternative. Alternative in Hindi, vikalp. Next is that महंगाई. महंगाई in English we can say that inflation. Inflation in Hindi, महंगाई. Next is that संजोना. संजोना in English we can say that cherish. Cherish in Hindi, संजोना. Next is that जिद्दी. जिद्दी in English we can say that is to burn. Is to burn in Hindi, जिद्दी. Next is that hamdardi. Hamdardi in English we can say that sympathy. Sympathy in Hindi, hamdardi in English, sympathy. Okay. Next is that anaitik sambandh. Anaitik sambandh in English we can say that intimacy. Intimacy in Hindi, anaitik sambandh. In English, intimacy. Next is that divana. Divana in English we can say that loopy. Loopy in Hindi, divana. Okay. So guys, today's session is ends here. I hope guys you all are liking and enjoying my video. If you really likes my video, so guys don't forget like, share and subscribe. And guys, whatever English vocabulary I have shared with you in this video, guys, use all that vocabulary in your daily life conversation so that you can remember it for a long time. We'll meet very soon in next video guys with a new session. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching.